Hi everyone, welcome back. I want to take a few minutes to give you some channel updates because changes are happening. But before we get into that, let me tell you what we're up to today. It is HOT in North Carolina. Probably the hottest since I've lived here. I think the high today is about 99 degrees. And the only way I know to survive the heat is to get out early and find water. So Levi and I are hiking along this railroad track here to a creek. From there, the creek should lead us down to a river. I brought an inner tube so I can float, and Levi can run around, play in the water, swim, and wear himself out doing the dog thing. At the moment, that's about as far as we can walk with the train going by. So we're just gonna have to wait for it to pass to keep going. Okay, against my better judgment, we are walking along this game trail. The trail is supposed to be right along the tracks, but there's not really a good clearance between you and the train. And this is the slowest moving, longest train ever. So I'm walking this trail and I don't want to get too far off of it because I don't want to run into snakes. I want to be able to see them. Is this my best idea ever? No. Should we rename this Neely's Trail? Yes. But we're finding water. That is happening today. Look at these two feathers I found. Very cool. If you didn't know, it's actually illegal to collect hawk feathers in the United States, but really neat to look at. Unfortunately, we have to say goodbye to them. So off they go. We found the creek, but now we need to find a way into it. Take a look. That was not part of the plan. Alrighty, under the railroad tracks seems to be the best bet. Woo. Okay, I know things always look higher when you're on top than what they really are. So I'm guessing this is about 8 feet, and I think I'm just gonna jump down. Or kind of crawl and hang and look really pathetic. In case I'm wrong, I hooked this up so that I can grab my bag and yank it down. Yeah. So this is the part where I either am super successful and look awesome or break a leg. So here we go. I'm just full of good ideas, guys, really. Oh, I already regret it. I regret it. Okay, we're just gonna have to jump. We're gonna have to jump. Here we go. Oh, okay. Wasn't intending on getting my shorts wet, but I did it. I'm not worried about Levi because he's already been down here. Okay. Yeah, so, I mean, yeah, probably like 7 foot, maybe? Oh my goodness. Ah, okay. Let's go. Before we get into the channel updates, I just wanted to remind you guys a little bit of my story. I am a wife, a mom of 2 teens. I work part-time and picking up speed. I originally started car camping in my Prius about 2 years ago, give take, and I fell in love with it. And I started making these little videos to share with my family and my friends. So if you watch the older videos, they're a little more sugar coated because I didn't want anybody to worry about what I was doing out there. Everybody seems to think that it's just so dangerous, and I didn't want to give them a reason to say I shouldn't be going. So I kind of just, they're really like just fun and upbeat, which is exactly what it is. I mean, sleeping in your car and doing this kind of stuff is amazing, but I definitely left out some of the challenging aspects in those early videos. And then I just really liked making the videos. I just have a lot of fun sharing these experiences. So I opened up those videos from private to public so I could share with everyone, share with you guys. And then I just kept making them. And it's been a lot of fun for me. Whew, it's so hot. Levi, what are you doing? That's better. I had to get my hair wet. It was hot. So let's talk about those changes that we're doing here. My part-time job is now working me more full-time hours. My kid's schedule has gotten a little bit hectic, and on top of all that, we moved my aging mom down closer so I could help take care of her. So I've just got a lot on my plate right now. And like so many of you out there, it's just really hard to balance everything. So unfortunately, I haven't been able to get out and go camping as much as I like. So I was posting videos every Friday of my little camping adventures, but I think now what I'm going to do is start posting every other Friday. And that way I have good content for my trips and I don't have to rush to get it out there. It'll give me more time to edit and make fun videos. I think something's biting me. Hang on. Ow. Horse flies. No bueno. But, so the weeks in between posting a video, I'm going to do like clips, like a highlight reel or like a rerun from my previous camp trips of kind of those special moments or things that are just fun to revisit. Levi got tired of swimming, so he's along for the ride, living his best life. It was really important for me to do this video to update you all on the new schedule and keep you in the loop, because I really do appreciate every view, every comment, every like, every subscribe. It means so much to me. It's just really nice having a support group out there that enjoys doing the same type of things I like to do, because with the exception of my kids and one of my sisters, everybody I know pretty much thinks I'm crazy for hiking alone and sleeping in my car alone. But when I see all the comments from you all on my page, it just in some way validates it, I guess, for lack of a better word, and lets me know that I'm not crazy. I'm not the only one who likes this stuff and this lifestyle, and I think you guys know, I always say if I could do this full time, I really, really would. I have van life dreams, but for right now, this is just where I'm at in my life. So I got to be patient. And I love all the support I get from you all. I just can't say that enough, how much I appreciate it. And while we're on the subject of support, I could use a little help from you guys. When I make videos and I'm editing them, I typically think, what would I like to see? What's interesting for me? What I'd really like to know is what's interesting for you. Do you guys want to see more stuff at the campsite and the campgrounds and more of the actual car camping stuff? Would you like to see more hiking and more adventurous stuff? Would you like to see more Levi? Because let's be honest, he's cuter than me, right, buddy? Yeah, I know. You know, just a little feedback would definitely help me out and kind of give me some direction of what you guys are actually interested in seeing and what's fun to watch, and let's be honest, what's boring to watch. So if you could leave me a little comment below and let me know, that would be awesome. That'd be so helpful. What are you doing? Okay, alrighty then. Well, there you have it. I think that's everything for now. Once again, thank you for being here. I appreciate it so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.